Welcome back, boys and girls. We're on episode 4. So we're going to make our own condensation, water cycle, evaporation, precipitation paper. Okay, let me see if I'm trying to keep this straight and it's just not letting me. Let's see if that works. Okay, so everyone has this paper and our second page. So what we're going to do first is we are going to look, and I want you to trace this area blue, because this is either lakes, rivers, oceans, and you can just do like a quick blue coloring. Okay? And we were taught that water goes up into the sky, and we call that evaporation. And then it causes clouds, right? So the clouds are going to be cotton balls. So we are going to glue some cotton balls here and some cotton balls on this side to make clouds, okay? So we were saying that condensation, when the water evaporates up into the sky, it starts forming a lot of clouds. And sometimes the clouds say, "Ugh, all this water is too heavy. We have to let go some of this condensation." And what happens is, what? What happens when all of a sudden the clouds think it's too heavy? What falls back down to the earth from the condensation? That's right, precipitation. So let's just make a couple of raindrops going down into the land, and some going down just a little, okay, going down into the water. And that is precipitation. How easy is that? So now we have to cut out the the words that I gave you. I gave you evaporation, which means goes up into the sky. Condensation, which is when the clouds form, when water gets too heavy in the clouds from the evaporation, and they have to say, "Oh, I gotta let go of some of this water," and they cause precipitation, which is rain coming down. So with your scissors, I want you to cut on the line that's under the word evaporation, okay?
Can you remember this?
Wait,
I'm sorry.
Oh boy. So we're going to cut this word out, evaporation. It starts with the E. It's the first word on that second page. And you're going to glue it right underneath your arrow. Okay? So everyone say evaporation. Evaporation. And evaporation is when water goes up into the sky. And when there's too much up there, clouds form. And that's called condensation. It begins with a C. It's the second word that was on your second page. So let's cut that one out. And we are going to glue the word condensation underneath the red arrow, just like so. Okay? All right. And the very last one, when we said the clouds say, "Oh, all this is too heavy," the condensation, we have to make it come out of the clouds. It's called precipitation, and it starts all over again. All right, so let's cut out precipitation. It's the P. Starts with a P, and we're going to glue it right underneath that arrow. There we go. So we have evaporation. It comes from the earth, goes up into the sky, causes clouds to form, which is condensation. Too heavy in the clouds, rain starts falling. That's called precipitation. And guess what? It starts all over again. That's what the word cycle means. It just keeps going and going and going. All right, well, guess what? You made your own water cycle today. I wish we were in the classroom because I had a lot more things I would love to have done. But we're done for the day. I will see you tomorrow. Hello, Brianna. It's Workout Wednesday, so she just got done. So now we're going to say goodbye, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah.